who purrs and meows. D is for duck, who quacks and bows. Come along, let's sing and play, learning letters all the way. From A to Z we'll dance and rhyme. Let's go on and ABC climb. E is for elephant, big and strong. Let's all stomp as we march along. F is for fish, who swims so fast. Pretend to swim, let's make it last. Come along, let's sing and play, learning letters all the way. From A to Z we'll dance and rhyme. Let's go on and ABC climb. G is for guitar, strum, strum, strum. H is for horse, who trots and hums. I is for igloo, chilly and cold. J is for jump, so brave and bold. Sing it loud, sing it proud. The ABCs make us feel so loud. From A to Z we're learning strong. Every letter makes our song. K is for kite, flying high. Watch it dance up in the sky. L is for lion with the loud roar. M is for mouse, who squeaks on the floor. Come along, let's sing and play, learning letters all the way. From A to Z we'll dance and rhyme. Let's go on and ABC climb. N is for night, the stars shine bright. O is for owl with big eyes in sight. P is for panda, soft and slow. Q is for quack, duck say hello. R is for rabbit, hopping high. S is for snake, slithers by. T is for train, choo choo it goes. U is for umbrella, for rainbows. Come along, let's sing and play, learning letters all the way. From A to Z we'll dance and rhyme. Let's go on and ABC climb. V is for violin, soft and sweet. W is for wagon with wheels on the street. X is for xylophone, ding and ring. Y is for yo-yo that spins on a string. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes. Let's say the letters, we've done it right. A to Z, we've had such fun. Our ABC adventures just begun. Come along, let's sing and play, learning letters all the way. From A to Z, we've danced and rhymed. Thanks for joining our ABC climb. Climb.